Good morning, class 10. Today, we continue our fifth chapter, Periodic Classification of Elements, with topic Defects of Mendeleev Periodic Table. In the last video, we have discussed what are the achievements of Mendeleev Periodic Table. In this, we will start with the defects of Mendeleev Periodic Table. So, let's start. Defects of Mendeleev Periodic Table. In the Mendeleev periodic tables, there are many defects. The first is position of hydrogen. If we are talking about the position of hydrogen, till date, position of hydrogen is not fixed. The reason is that few properties of hydrogen is resemble with the alkali metals. Its atomic number is 1, so it is placed in first A group. Its few property is resemble with halogen group, which is present in 17th group. So sometimes it behave as alkali metal and sometimes it behave as halogens. It form the compound with halogen like hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. In these cases, hydrogen behave as a non-metal, while when it is placed in the alkali group, it behaves as alkali metals. Thus, its position is not fixed. Now, the second defect of Mendeleev periodic table, anomalous position of some elements. Anomalous position of some elements means we know that in Mendeleev periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses, but few elements are placed before having higher atomic masses than that of the element having lower atomic mass. With the example, we can clear it. Like you can see here, the element argon and potassium. Potassium is placed after argon, but the atomic mass of argon is 39.9, while potassium has the atomic mass 39.1. It has less atomic mass than that of argon. Mendeleev could not explain why the elements which have higher atomic mass placed before than that of the element having lower atomic mass. Third defect of Mendeleev periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table, the position of isotopes was not explained. We know that isotopes are those elements having similar atomic number but different mass number. And in Mendeleev periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses. From the example, this one is the isotopes of hydrogen H11, H12 and H13 having different atomic masses 1, 2 and 3 respectively and same atomic number, that is 1. Means this isotope of hydrogen can be placed in the different groups, but they all have allotted the same position. And why this is so? Why the isotopes have the same position? While according to Mendeleev, elements having the different atomic masses can placed in the different groups or in the different positions. So it could not explain in the Mendeleev periodic table the position of isotopes. Next defect of Mendeleev periodic table, that is no correlation of elements in same subgroup. That is no correlation of elements in subgroup. In Mendeleev periodic table, you have seen that one column is divided into two, that is named as 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. So, in the Mendeleev periodic table, with example it will be clear, like metals, lithium, sodium and potassium placed in first A group and copper, silver and gold placed in first B group. They do not have the similar properties, so why they are placed in same subgroup? It could also not explained in the Mendeleev periodic table. Now the next defect of Mendeleev periodic table, that is elements having the different properties, they can placed in the same group. Why this is so? It could also not explained in the Mendeleev periodic table or by the Mendeleev. Thus, this Mendeleev periodic table was failed and not properly work on all the elements when elements are arranged in a table in increasing order of their atomic masses.